Have you heard of the duality of human nature? Do you believe in the fact that each of us has good and evil within? Hello, I'm Radost, and in today's video I'm going to show you how the ambivalent human personality became an inspiration for my next painting. But before we get started, I wanted to encourage you to hit that subscribe button for more art videos. Stay till the end to see how the beauty of the painting can be combined with something way more practical. Let's get started! These are the tools and materials I used for the painting, but you can easily find them in the description box down below. After the mermaid painting, I've got the confidence to show more of my ideas to the world, and this lady over here is one of them. If you want to see my mermaid painting, you can do it by clicking on the card. While I was wondering what should I draw next and what if my muse have left me, I remembered about the famous novel by Robert Louis Stevenson, The Strange Case of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. If you're not familiar with it, Dr. Henry Jekyll, a respected scientist, believed that a man is not one but truly two, and he intends to separate the good from the evil. This evil comes to life with the character of Mr. Edward Hyde, a criminal who commits cruel acts of violence against others. And yes, probably human mind has two aspects, but Stevenson leaves open the question of what these aspects constitute. The simple explanation should be that one side is good and the other is evil, or maybe they represent one's inner animal which society, education and family prevent from showing. Stevenson leaves us to look within ourselves and find the answers. That inner animal just stuck into my head, and that's how the idea of this drawing came to life. I won't lie, it changed a lot during the sketch process, but I like the final result. Women most of the time are seen as graceful, kind and beautiful creatures, and probably in the past the majority of the society couldn't imagine to see one's dark side, one's inner animal. So I chose to show a real lady and her inner lioness. To enhance the effect of duality, I painted one of the eyes blue and the other green to catch that wild cat look. All the colors I used you can easily find in the description. This portrait, if I may call it that way, received a lot of analysis from friends and group members about the eye color, the expression, the tears. And probably it is my fault for quoting Oscar Wilde very often, I don't know. So, he says that every portrait that is painted with feeling is a portrait of the artist, not of the sitter. Maybe he's right in some aspects, but hearing people's assumption made me think even more about human nature. So, what do you think? Do you have a hidden side? Is it dark? Tell me in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like it and subscribe for my channel for more art content videos. Till next time, bye!